Okay, little video from us today. After a long break from videoing. We're going away in about a week's time to Wales. You'll see a video on that. But yeah, we've just come out to the motorhome to start setting a few things up. And it looks like we've got a leak, a water leak. Frozen pipe has burst by the looks of it. We're guessing. Shall I get
That'd
in
be
there?
interesting, because you reckon it's a broken frozen pipe. I
Yep.
reckon it might just be a joint that's gone. So
Okay.
test what people think. Put the views down below.
Okay, let's have your guesses.
Yeah.
See if I can just pop that in
Yes,
there. Rob.
yeah.
Can
Can you see?
Yeah, you can see the water dripping there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're going to have to get these tiles off, Rob, you think, yeah?
Yeah, that's the only way we're going to do it, John.
Yeah, somewhere behind that wall.
Any way we can do it, somewhere behind here.
We put loads of insulation in there as well, didn't we?
We did indeed, to stop.
God.
That's what I'm thinking, because we put so much insulation to stop the freezing of the pipes. We don't know until we
Start pulling them off.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, what we need to do is take some of these tiles off the walls. The only way you're going to get these tiles off is by breaking one, and then hopefully you can prise the rest off, but one's got to be destroyed to actually enable you to try and prise the other ones off. So
Okay.
I'll crack on with that for a bit. Okay, we found some water here behind the boards. I don't know if you guys can actually see this or not, but it's just there. But there is a mixer tap behind here as well for the shower. And what I'm going to do is take the tiles off up to probably here, and then get access behind this panel by using a multi-tool to cut the panel off, and see where it lies from there. There we go, we've cut a hole in the panel, and we have a leak. Now the interesting thing is, this has only just happened, John, because if I close that back up, you can hardly see any water here, but when you lower that down, you can see a lot of water. So there's somewhere,
It's down there, isn't it?
well, there's nothing up here, so there's somewhere here, there is a leak. Now, you're telling me that's frost?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. You feeling it wet? Is it up? Is it wet up there, is it?
No, this is damp. This is dry as a bone, this is. This is dry as a bone. Now that's wet, soaking wet, because water's travelled down.
Any wet up there, Rob, on that?
That's dry as a bone, that is up there.
Is it?
Now, is that condensation? I found it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Or is it?
Feels like it's a loose nut.
Loose nut.
Yeah. No, I can't get to it, John. Fuck. I nearly swore.
It's wet at the bottom of that shower valve. There's something around that shower valve that is leaking. So we're going to get this
Jam.
wooden strut jam thing out.
Jam thing.
Right, we're going to turn the water on again, see if we can better identify where this leak is coming from. Right, I'm going to turn the water pump on now.
Yeah. Okay, stop.
Oh, blimey, that is pouring
there you go.
out.
There you go.
Do that again, Rob. 2 seconds for the camera. Here we go. Are you ready?
Hang on, let me check that.
Right, I'm going to turn the water pump on.
Yeah. There you go. There's your,
Blimey, pissing out, isn't it?
yeah, there's your what's in. In there. Alright, the plate's free. I can't get that fucking screw. Yep. One screw to come out, and that should not come out. It's looking solid. Why is it solid? no screw there, no screw there. For some reason.
Right,
okay.
after a bit of prizing.
Yeah, we had a plate on the back and we had a T-junction with you 2 screws in as well.
Right, and
Now we've had
see
to
if we can
chisel
find
our
what's
way
bloody
out
leaking.
and we need to pull this.
You see anything obvious?
There we go. Right.
You see anything obvious there, Rob? I can't see anything obvious.
I think it might be, John. Right. There's no crack in this. I'm guessing it's this.
Let's run the pump.
Because of vibration, this has worked itself loose. So
I'm going to say it's split. I'm going to say that brass has split somewhere.
Brass has...
Well, let's put the pump on.
Okay, you're right because there's water underneath. Yeah.
Right, here we go. Ready, Rob?
Yeah. Oh! It fucking has as well.
Is it split?
Yeah. Right, you take that
All
back.
my life.
Right. You want your video?
Yeah, video.
It's on your video. The split, the crack is all the way around there.
I thought it was further back than that.
Now, if you want
Is
to...
it there?
Yeah.
Hang on then.
You ready? I'll turn your water on, mate. What you're looking for is this round here. It's split all the way around there. You can actually feel it with my fingernail.
Oh, right.
You ready?
Yep. Oh. Yeah.
I hope that didn't frighten the viewers.
Okay, we've got the answer then. So there we go. That is the issue. The brass fitting, brass alloy, whatever it is, has split. And despite that being quite a way from the wall,
That's a good foot, John. Good foot.
yeah, good foot and a bit, isn't it?
And insulated as well.
And loads of insulation around it, it's still split the metal. But every other pipe we've got in here is plastic though, isn't it, Rob? So
yeah, it is.
That's the weak spot, I suppose, being metal, and it got it. So what the hell do we do now? Right, as it's Christmas and we need a valve that's going to fit where this one's come from, we are not going to get a valve in time for our Wales trip. It's just not going to happen, not in reality. So and we've got to get a valve, the same valve or something very similar, because we've got
the holes are there already,
for
the
the
other
shower,
side in the
yeah.
shower. Yeah.
So what we're going to have to do is put these end stops on. What do we call these? Stop valves?
Isolation valves.
Isolation valves.
Yeah.
Put those on there, block the pipes off, and go and do the run like that. Samantha at this moment in time is just double checking to make sure the campsite that we're going to has got showers, which I'm 99% sure it has. So if that's the case, we won't have an issue, because I have to have a shower in the morning. so
3 hour long shower.
it's obligatory. You've got to have a 3 hour long shower. You know the rules. So yeah, so we're going to have to leave it like that until after we come back, aren't we?
The good thing is about it, John, it can still be used. Okay, you can't get a shower. There's a shower on site. We're just checking, but they can still be used. It's been isolated, so the water can still flow.
Yeah.
You still got hot and cold running water. And when you come back, we'll have to fix
it is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll have to fix it when you come back.
Okay.
Because nothing's going to come this side of freaking Christmas, is it?
Okay, so back in the house now. I think we've made the decision. We're not going to repair it this side of Christmas.
Wise choice.
We can't, can we? Because
that you go away and it happens again, you're going to be scuppered without water.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
you've got running water, you've got hot water, you just haven't got a shower. But the good news is the site has got a shower,
Yes.
so you're okay. You can have
this
this
checked.
3 hour shower in the morning. But yeah, these things happen. It's not a disaster. The RV can still be used. So you know, little problems, we can overcome them.
Yeah,
And
we'll
sort
sort it out. Samantha had a quick look for a new valve, and there's some silly prices coming up compared to what we paid for that.
Yeah.
I'm sure we only paid about 20 quid for that valve or something. So we're going to we'll have a look around for another valve. If we can't get a valve at the right money, then it's back to school, and we might end up brazing that one and then coating it with some kind of plastic or resin, just so the cold can't get to it again. So we'll have a think about that, but that's definitely a thought for after Christmas.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so the next video, guys, will be the campsite in Wales.
Merry Christmas to you all, guys, as well.
Indeed.
Because it'll be after Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Take care.